My name is Amber Hempel and my intended major is managerial science and business.
Today I'm going to be doing the pivot table project. And down in my bottom corner, left corner, I'm going to click on the W sales product. And that's where I'm going to find all of my information. You can see that it's already selected here, but in order to copy the information or select it, if it hasn't already been selected, is you're going to press this down arrow kind of facing the right, click on the information, and it will go ahead and highlight everything for you. And by doing that, you can then go to Command C, and that'll copy all of your information. Now what we're going to do with this now is we're going to go ahead and create a pivot table. And by doing that, we'll just go up into the insert ribbon here. You can click on insert, and then you can click on pivot table, and then it'll then give you this pop-up screen on how you can edit your pivot table. And you just want to make sure that the new worksheet where you're going to place your pivot table is selected. So by doing that, you can just make sure that you're selecting the new worksheet, and then go ahead and press OK. And after you do that, you'll see that a new worksheet has actually created itself. I'm just going to go ahead and change the name here just for my own reference. And after you do that, you can go ahead and start filling in your information for your pivot table. First, I'm going to start with the retail country. I'm going to go ahead and click and drag this to my columns table. And you can see now that the columns have added themselves with the different countries that are available for information. Next, I'm going to want to go ahead and do the product line. And for this one, we're going to want to go ahead and select it, drag it down to the rows. And you can see now that the information has automatically inputted itself. Lastly, we're going to want to go to the gross margin. And by clicking and dragging this to the sum values, you can see that they went ahead and inputted themselves as well. Now, you can see right here in the left-hand corner of the values, it is in the sum of the gross margin. We're going to want to go ahead and change this to margin. And by doing that, you're going to go ahead and select the I in the right-hand corner and change this to average. And we want to make sure that these decimal points are 2 away. So we're going to go down to the left-hand corner where number, and we're going to click on that. And we're going to go to number and make sure that our decimal points are 2 away. And you can see now that it's already inputted into 2, so we're okay on this. So after you make sure that it's inputted into 2, you can press OK, and the information will go ahead and change itself. Now you can see that our sums have been changed to averages, and they're 2 decimal points away. Now what we're going to want to do is go ahead and filter the information to the countries that we want. By doing that, you can go to the B3, and you'll see that it says column labels. And if you click on this arrow right here, the down-facing arrow, it'll give you a box that'll let you select exactly what countries you want to see. Now you'll see the select all button. You can go ahead and click on it again, and it will unselect all of our information. This way, we're able to go ahead and filter out which ones we actually do want to see. And we're going to want to go ahead and click on Italy. And you can see over here that the information has already inputted itself. Next, we're going to want to head and input Spain. And you can see that it's went ahead and added that. If you can't see it, you can see over here. Here it is. And after we do that, we can just click to anywhere around the screen, and it will go ahead and put that choice box away from you. And you can see that this is the information that we now wanted. Now, in order to actually create our chart, our bar chart, we'll just go ahead and click on B5, and it's going to where our information is going to start. We're going to go back up to that insert ribbon right up here in the top. And we're going to click on it, and we're going to go over to the graphs. And we're going to want to make sure that we choose a clustered bar graph, not the clustered column graph. So you can see right here, it's a 2D bar. So you can go ahead and click on clustered bar graph, and you're going to see that all of your information is going to be inputted right here. That's all you're going to need. And that concludes our tutorial on how to create a pivot table and a clustered bar chart. If you like that video, you can go ahead and like down below or subscribe to my channel. There'll be lots of more Excel spreadsheet tutorials, and you can come for your information only. Thank you. Subscribe and like below, and follow my Instagram and my Twitter. Bye.